Digital twins, transforming the way we monitor and control physical assets. I'm so excited to share this topic with you today. So, what are digital twins? Simply put, a digital twin is a digital replica of a physical asset, process or system. It is created using data from sensors, simulations and other sources, and can be used for a variety of purposes such as monitoring, analysis and control. Think about it like this: imagine you have a machine in a factory, and you want to know how it's performing in real time. With digital twin technology, you can create a digital replica of that machine and use data from sensors to see exactly how it's running, identify any potential issues, and make adjustments to improve performance. This technology is being used in a wide range of industries, from manufacturing and transportation to healthcare and energy. One of the major benefits of digital twins is the ability to predict future behavior. By analyzing data from the digital twin, you can identify patterns and make predictions about how the physical asset will perform in the future. This allows you to proactively make changes to improve efficiency and reduce costs. But it's not just about monitoring and controlling assets. Digital twins are also being used to optimize performance. For example, in the aerospace industry, digital twins are being used to simulate different flight conditions and test new designs, which helps to improve safety and reduce development costs. Another great benefit of digital twins is the ability to improve communication and collaboration across teams and departments. By giving everyone access to the same data, digital twins allow for more efficient and effective decision-making. As you can see, digital twin technology is transforming the way we monitor and control physical assets, and it has the potential to revolutionize many different industries. We are just scratching the surface of what is possible with this technology, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or want to learn more about digital twins, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more learning method and click on next video here.